Hi friends, I hope you're doing well now, and here 5000 plus social media PSD banner templates pack, and these are protected. First you need subscription for all access of my data. Okay, go to sherry.pwd.com and get subscription for lifetime. Try show you the property of these files. 23.9 GB and 5055 files. Okay, but don't worry, I will compress in parts so you can download one by one in parts. Okay, food restaurant, and here banner templates, travel banner, sale banner, cryptocurrency banner, digital cash, and here 40 banner of Facebook, 50 music banner, all files are PSD. Okay, beauty. You can import your own photo in Photoshop. That means you can customize file in Adobe Photoshop software. View detail and you see format of Photoshop. Post. I know you know how to customize file in Photoshop. Take care. Allah Hafiz.